here is an old janitrol or junky troll heat pump. I just went over to Starbucks and I was riding my bike. And this thing kicked on, and I tried to get permission from the owners, but they were not here. So I was like, you know what? They probably weren't here. Also, it's a Sunday. Yeah, here it is. Oh, it just cut off. Yeah, there it is. So yeah, it just shut off. You can see that it has a new fan motor and fan blade set, and the accumulator and line sets are all nice and sweaty. And I actually can't ride my bike here, so I'm like just walking my bike. But yeah, there's the model number. It is a 1995 Goodman or janitor. Yeah, Goodman unit. And it's got exposed wires, which is very nice and very awesome. It has a massive reciprocating compressor, and it is a heat pump. It's got a reversing valve in there. Probably a Bristol, but yeah, there's the sign. Alright. Yeah, that's the unit. So, there it is, and it's Junky Troll Glory. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.